Shane, motherfucker.
Oh, you want to take the picture?
I'm fucking not just taking a motherfucking picture, Chris. I'm taking a fucking video of fucking Chris smoking the fucking New Year's doobie right now when I'm talking to you on the phone, Shane. When you fucking see this picture, you're gonna hear what we're talking about on the phone.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, bitch. That's what you missed out when you were fucking smoking the motherfucking... Just like at Chris's birthday, but now we got him fucking lighting this shit up, man. Fucking, let me fucking see this shit, man. Cheers! What's up, Shane, motherfucker?
That's how we get down, right there.
Ready, guys? Ready, guys?
Yeah, that's just smoke. Fuck.
Anybody wants to fucking smoke on this motherfucker?
Oh, fuck.
Whoa. Looks like it's me and you, Chris. Alright. Like no one else, man. Everyone's fucking passing on this fucking doobie. Alright, man. I'll see you when you come back, Shane. Have a fucking happy New Year's, motherfucker.
Alright.
Sweet.
Fucking New Year's now, guys.
Peace, motherfucker.
Happy fucking New Year!
Yeah!
Yeah!
Woo! Woo!
Cheers! Out here.
Happy fucking New Year!
Yeah.
Give me a smoke.
Waste my fucking voice out in fucking bladder! I like to yell too!
Justin, ready to click. What's up, Kev? That's some fucked up shit, man.
Where all the songs be? Whatever.
Hit that shit, Chris.
Hold on.
Whatever, man. Not in my drink, though.
Yeah.
Forgiven and forgotten. Another year comes, another year I'm fucking in debt.
Me too.
Oh my god. Yeah.
That's how we rock in Vancouver.
But we're not in Vancouver.
Oh, good! Yeah, I got the evidence. I got the evidence on video. That's right. That's right. Yeah, bitch.
What's up, Doc?
You stepped in my head.